This video is going to show you how to play the melody for Hobed or Hilion. So the first thing you need to do is find your starting note, which is an E. So if we look, C is here, okay, so down from the two black keys, that's a C. So then if we count up C, D, E, okay, that's the first note of your melody. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our thumb on that note, and then the next note we've got after that is an A, okay? So that is up here, okay? So you're going to need to miss out two keys to find that A. So this is the start of the melody. You've got okay, so you've got E, A, B, C, and then back down to the low E again, okay? So the A, B, C are up in step. Now it's really important in terms of your fingers, okay? If you start with your thumb on the E and then use your second finger on the A, it means then that you've got enough fingers then to play your B and C and you don't have to change hand positions. Okay, so I'll play the opening again. Okay, then you've got E, F, G, G, A, D. Now most of this is in step, so E, F, G, G, A, and then you've got a D, okay, which is one lower than your starting note, so down here. Then you're doing C, D, E, E, C, D, E, E, C, D, E 3 times. So then you've got to jump back up to this A like in the beginning. And that's all of the melody. So I'll play it all through again now, so follow the music really carefully as I'm playing. So